up, B? It's the Boss Buddy. Hey, I'm here to make your day. Put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Say the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy! Aster, it will help the pollinators eat and pollinate faster. It is the master of Asteraceae. My oh my, Asteraceae is a family, and we spray these kinds of plants. Here, I'll explain through an analogy. Imagine you want to eat a treat, and then your brother comes. He wants food too, yummy yums, but you don't want to share, cause to you it's not fair. So you poison the food, and when your brother eats, he doesn't feel in a healthy mood. I mean, come on, dude. He then dies, and you don't even cry. You see, your brother is the pollinators, and the food is the plants. Yeah, you and those chemicals shouldn't be having romance. So don't spray chemicals, especially on Aster. It will help the pollinators eat and pollinate faster. It is the master of Asteraceae. This plant blooms in pink and purple. Its flowers look kinda like a spiky circle. You know what Aster means? It was probably named by Greek teens. Aster means star, but to get some species of this plant, you don't need to go very far. It's called star because its flower looks like one, and your garden doesn't need to have none. Just go to my app, the link will be below, and look for some asters. Then go to the nursery and get them. It will save us from mayhem. So, go plant the aster. This plant is a perennial. It will come every year. And without it, we would have something to fear. The decline of pollinators. Come on, man. Get out there and plant aster. It will help the pollinators eat and pollinate faster. It is the master of Asteraceae. Thanks so much for listening. Please sub to my channel and hit that notification bell. Like my video to smash it. Ouch. Okay. Bye, man. Bye.